back. It's another weekend, so it's going to be another weekend spent sleeping in the woods. Camp with whatever I have in my truck. Thanks for coming along. Peace. So we were at a spot. We've camped here before and we left a cache of wood and some of it's still here. Got the, this is a Sea to Summit air pillow, a Thermarest Neo Air X Lite sleeping pad with the bag to fill it up. I never did that before. A minced down blanket and a Big Agnes V-Notch UL 40 degree sleeping bag. And this is the Alps Mountaineer Lynx 1 tent. Bluetooth speaker, fire steel, winter hat, tent poles, buck knife, ghost whisperer, some tinder knots I brought last time. Also got my Dark Energy Poseidon battery bank. I don't believe I do. Shelter set up. Time for step 2. Charlie took an interesting approach at this week's video. Can't wait to show you. Cheers. This week there's tons of extra dry wood because this spot is not camped at very often. Here's the wood we left from October last year, so it's not very frequented of a campsite. I don't know why, it's pretty cool. This was the camp when I had a hammock stretched up over here, and Charlie had his big tent right over here. This time he opted to go with a tarp setup, which I think is a little interesting.
Not opted.
So it turns out we got here, it's about an hour from home, and Charlie brought his backpacking gear, which is right here, but he forgot to bring the tent poles to his backpacking tent.
Oops.
Charlie's fashioned up a quite interesting looking tarp shelter. But aside from the bugs, we're gonna make it work. Okay, we got a living room, a little table, some chairs. Move on over to the master bedroom. And this is a legitimate campsite because it's marked very clearly with a camping disc. Undisclosed location. Souvenirs. Where did you go to the gift shop? So it is quite buggy, so we're just getting a smoke show going, hopefully to get some of the bugs out of here. Got plenty of wood though, down everywhere. I mean, literally everywhere. Got to do a test lay to make sure everything works out all right. This is working out just fine. So we checked the weather and we're supposed to get rain pretty soon, I guess, a couple hours. So last minute rehabbed the tarp shelter. It's a little bit more spacious, made it a little bit more rain deflective because it was a little rain catcher.
Yeah, hypothermia is now a real problem. The other key point to remember here, guys and gals, don't forget your tent poles. Okay?
PSA. Oh, that's bright. Good morning. We got rained on last night. Can't see, there we go. Just getting packed up now. Tarp shelter was a success. Packing up the rest of our gear and heading home. Thanks for coming along. Till next time, peace.